Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can delete YouTube channel permanently. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for youtube.com and you will be redirected to the homepage of your account. Now click on your profile icon at top right corner of your screen and select YouTube Studio from the list. The YouTube Studio will open up. Now click on the settings option located at bottom left corner of your screen. A pop-up will open up. Click on General tab from the left side menu and go to the advanced settings. Scroll down a little bit, click on Delete YouTube Content Embed and you will be redirected to a new page. It will then ask you to log in using your YouTube account. I have already logged in, so I'm already in. Now click on the Delete YouTube drop-down icon and a bunch of check marks will be available. Check mark both of them and click on Delete My Content button at the bottom. And that's how you can delete YouTube channel permanently. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.